What is up, you guys? Welcome back to another video. Another banger. So, like, subscribe, hit that notification bell so you will be notified. Oh, I have stuff on my channel, so you will be notified every time we drop a new banger on this channel. So today, I'm gonna do some stuff, but I just heard like this weird noise. The reason why I picked up the camera, I have to restart. The reason why I picked up the camera is because I kept hearing this weird noise coming from the bushes. Don't mind that other noise. That's excavator or whatever, how you pronounce it. I don't know. But that's that. But I heard like a different noise. And it's not the excavator. I'm just gonna put my phone like this because I really don't know if there is something. I don't really want to, like, because I've been attacked by the clowns, but I used to have an old YouTube channel, but then I deleted. Do you guys hear that? But like, yeah, but it's not a bird, because it's coming from my old shed. And I've been attacked by clowns and a bunch of other stuff in my old videos. So I don't know what today's gonna be. I heard something follow me. No. I freaking heard something like I heard stones kick. And by the way, not too long ago, I went to this weird place with, it was like a haunted hotel, haunted hotel. Or like ship, I forget. I didn't have that on camera. Me and my parents went, and there was supposedly kids that would stay there and they would kick rocks like this. And then in the hotel they would eat lollipops, and they had a tricycle and they would go around on the ship and on the tricycle. And it was so weird, but yeah. So I'm honestly so scared. It could be the clowns, and I really don't want it to be the clowns. It could be Long Face Man. I don't know. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it right. I think Long Face Man with his jaw all the way down. It could be a bunch of people. Maybe I'm just like hearing like different noises, and maybe it could be like an animal. But I didn't know, so I picked you guys up, and we're gonna wait for a couple minutes until I hear it again or something funny happens. So like, we'll wait for 5 to 10 minutes. See, I'll pick it up when we hear something. All right, you guys, I currently just heard something. But like I was walking back and forth, and I saw something too. Like it was kind of like a hand. And I heard like, I'm getting closer, so I gotta be more quiet, because we're approaching over here. So like, I saw this hand, and then a barrel is right there, and I see like blood coming out of it. So it's super creepy. But yeah, I'm just done with this video. I can't already. I gotta talk to my neighbors about this. Just give me a minute. Hi, AJ. What you doing? What are you doing? Nice. Am I allowed to come over? Okay. Alright, so I was gonna try to go over and like tell him about it, but he said that his mom like doesn't want anyone over there. So like, I don't really know what to do, because what if they get attacked? I could have told him right there, but I didn't want to. I'm gonna go in my house and try to investigate it a little bit more. Hi, Loki. Not gonna lie, probably. Oh, shoot, I got scared by a butterfly. I heard something. That was what. I keep seeing stuff. Seeing stuff. They're so scary, bro. I've been see how I hear that? But that's my bones. But I hear something else that's kind of like that. It's like, I hear that around the shed, and there's no snakes around the shed. My dad went in there one time. Never saw a snake. He went in there yesterday. Never saw a snake. And he went in there today. Never saw a snake. One time I was in my bed. Because I gotta leave at 3 to sell something. Shoot. But he can't scare me. I almost had a heart attack. We're gonna go back outside and maybe investigate a little more. I just needed to breathe a little bit. But yeah, let's go. I just gotta freeze for a minute. That looks good. I bet. Alright, you guys, so I'm walking down and every time I try to show you guys, like the hand, it disappears. Or every time I try to show you guys the blood, it disappears. And I feel like it's a clown haunting us. I don't think, because the clowns don't come out at me. They just stay like around. They stay at my house, but like, they usually go by themselves. I see it. Alright, wait, just, did you guys see it? It went away. The minute I flipped the camera and you guys almost saw it, it went away. But like, I don't know if you guys can see. This in there is where I keep hearing. Yeah? Yeah! Coda, come! Coda! Got him! Oh shoot, you guys, I'm so scared. I see something. It's coming my way. Shoot, it's coming my way. I'm gonna have to drop the camera, like, stop. Now it's coming again. Oh, it's a clown. It's a clown. I gotta drop the camera. Sorry, you guys. Bye.